Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to sync the last 30 days of your Gmail all-mail label on your mobile device. This is a handy way to keep your recent emails available offline without syncing your entire mailbox, saving you space and bandwidth. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Once you're in, look for the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner, and tap on it. This will open a side menu with various options. Next, scroll down until you find Settings and tap on it. Here, you'll see a list of all the Gmail accounts linked to your app. Select the email account you want to adjust by tapping on it. Now, within your account settings, find and tap on Manage Labels. This section lets you control how different labels sync with your device. Scroll through the list and tap on All Mail. This label contains all your emails, including archived ones, so syncing it is useful if you want access to everything from the last month. After selecting All Mail, tap on Sync Messages. You'll see several options for how much mail to sync. Choose Last 30 Days. This means only emails from the past 30 days will be downloaded and available offline on your device. That's it. By setting your Gmail app to sync only the last 30 days of the All Mail label, you keep your recent emails handy without overloading your phone with older messages. This method is perfect if you want quick access to recent conversations while managing storage efficiently. Give this a try, and you'll notice your Gmail app stays responsive and up to date with the most relevant emails. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech tips.